These beautiful jade stones are going to be used in our tutorial and beautiful wire jewelries. As you can see, jade stone is a green one, and you could use any other types of stone, beads, or even pearl. And for the wire, we need 20 gauge one, and also 3 main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flush cutter. Pick up a piece of paper, pen, or pencil to draw the map of the ear cuff that we are going to design, and it's going to be put on this part of ear. So we start by making a very little loop, a straight line, and this length is equal to 3 times of your stone or bead, of course, and then 2 bends, and again a 90-degree bend, 1 bead, and the wire wraps all around the bead, and here it ends. Let's start with 20 gauge wire and round nose pliers because we are going to make that very little loop, but before we put the wire on the design, and approximately we size of the length that we desire, and we cut it with flush cutter. Then we insert 3 beads, or of course stones as you desire, and as you could see, I'm using these jade stones, and this stone or bead or pearl that you're using must have a hole that the size is inappropriate with the size of your wire. After inserting those 3 stones with round nose pliers, just make a very little P shape, or it could be something like this, an open one, and then with chain nose pliers start to squeeze it well so that it would prevent these stones from falling. And now pick up chain nose pliers and put it somewhere at the end of these 3 stones. Leave about 1 or 2 millimeters, and then bend those 3 beads to have a 90-degree bend. Now, in a distance of about 2 or 2.5 centimeters, it depends on you, of course, and the size of the ear that you are going to design for, make another bend. This bend is a complete one, so it would be something like a U shape, and then I'm going to squeeze it with chain nose pliers. I continue that for the other side and make another bend and U shape, and of course to squeeze it well so that the 2 sides of the wire would be attached. Squeeze it so soft and gently, just like this. And again, in front of those 3 stones row, place your chain nose pliers and make another 90-degree bend. This is the place that we are going to insert one of our beads or stones, of course, and then to wrap the wire all around this bead, I'm going to make it curved as possible as I can with my fingers, and then squeeze it with chain nose pliers to be attached tight onto this stone. And then I wrap it totally and completely all around this stone. The length that I have here is appropriate for 1 round all around this stone, and you could continue that to be wrapped all around another stone in front row, but here I'm going to squeeze it with chain nose pliers to close it, and I'm going to show you the other way that you could continue the wire just like this, and you need to cut the wire a little longer at first to be wrapped all around one of the other beads. So after you wrapped it all around this upper stone, we just make a bend on the wire to be wrapped all around the other one, of course, easier. And then from the beneath part, you could see I wrap it all around the other stone. And then with chain nose pliers, I bend it to be attached tight. It would be something like this. And in every case, it doesn't matter, we need to bend these two tails left and right with round nose pliers. So we make these two parts rounded, and it should be inappropriate with the size and shape of your ear. And I'm going to show you how it's going to be attached. It would be something like this and almost done. This is a very unique and very beautiful ear cuff with jade stone. And if you are interested to know how to make the ring for this beautiful ear cuff, just comment it below for me to be the next tutorial. Thank you.